Alright, what's up party people? We are in Phoenix, Arizona. So we are staying at the Palomar Kimpton Hotel in downtown Phoenix. Everything's been awesome so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you around our room a little bit before we go explore the rest of the hotel. So you walk in here, you have a really nice bathroom here on the left. Super clean. You got a great shower with lots of space. Then moving on to the rest of the room, we got a king bed. And I think one of the nice things is we got a lovely view of some of Arizona's mountains in the distance. So here's the breakdown of the hotel. We are on the 6th floor right now. On the 2nd floor is a pretty good restaurant called Blue Hound, which is where we're headed pretty shortly. They actually have a happy hour, I think Monday through Thursday, or maybe Tuesday through Friday. It was something weird like that. So we might be able to get in on that before 6 p.m. finishes up. Then on the 3rd floor is actually the Luster rooftop pool, bar, and lounge. That's kind of more of like a, kind of hangout, cocktail, pool area. So we're kind of excited to check out both of those areas. And we'll take you there with us shortly.
Is this where they have like the cocktails?
Cheers, everybody. So as you can see, we snagged the charcuterie board. So is that how you feeling about it?
I'm excited.
All right, the beef tenderloin and fries have arrived. How's the steak?
Oh my god, it is amazing. It's so good.
All right, guys. Look at this beautiful sunshine that's coming on me through this window right now. We're going all in on the beef tenderloin. Oh wait. Rocking it. So guys, usually when you think hotel restaurant, you don't think good. This place is actually like pretty legit. Beef tenderloin is great. It's juicy, it's tender, it melts in your mouth. The drinks have been great so far. Fries are great. This is a good place to be. All right guys, we just had a bomb dinner, but we are now at the pool and the pool bar. We got a lovely view as well.
I don't know what to say.
It's okay. Alright y'all, it took us an hour and 24 minutes. We are on top of Camelback Mountain. Woo! Alright everyone, after that long hike, it's pool time. How's that Mai Tai going down?
It is so delicious and refreshing.
Little pretzel bite action. Suzette, do the honors.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, it's cheese. It's gonna be hot.
Pool sesh is going great. Lots of good vibes. Pretty decently packed, and so the pool here at the hotel is a mix between people actually staying here, and there's some people that you could just kind of walk up, hang out at the bar, or the restaurant, or the pool. So you kind of get a mix of both, which is kind of interesting. But we got some chips and guac, salsa queso. So we're about to smash that too. After that pool sesh, we had to take a nap. So it is now Saturday night in Phoenix. Our hotel is actually right over here by Chase Field where the Diamondbacks play. We are off in search of food and drink and good times. Alright guys, so we are at the Churchill. It's kind of this outdoor, indoor, kind of big area where there's a bunch of different restaurants and shops, kind of all in one. So I'll show you that a little bit here. So I got tacos from Provecho. They're looking pretty good, so we're gonna try them out. So when I ordered water from this place, they gave me these funky alkaline water bottles that are kind of cute. Suzette is diving into the margarita pizza.
So good, I love it.
Cheers. All right, everyone, that was our experience at the Kimpton Palomar Hotel in Phoenix. It's an awesome hotel. I definitely recommend you checking it out if you're in the area. On the next episode of Andy All Over, we are going to hike the hardest trail on Camelback Mountain, the Echo Canyon Trail, and you definitely won't want to miss it, so we'll see you then.